Baseball isn't just a game, it's a story unfolding before your eyes. And now you can capture every inning of that story faster, smarter, and more powerfully than ever before. Baseball Classics AI Scoresheet automates your scorekeeping, turning the old scorebook into an instant, intelligent experience. It fills in lineups, tracks every play, gives real-time recaps, and brings the game to life with AI-powered insight. This isn't just scorekeeping, it's elevating how you experience the game you love. All right, now let's take a look at Baseball Classics AI Scoresheet, show you how it works. Very simple to use. The score bug is up here in the upper right-hand corner. It'll track the base runners, number of outs, who's batting, who's on deck. If you are scoring a Major League Baseball game, playing Baseball Classics Legends on the Diamond, here's all the game editions that we support with the animated dice here for you. So you can click on the roll button, it'll roll those dice for you. But if you're scoring any other type of baseball game, be it a high school baseball game, a minor league game, any other type of game that you are scoring, just click on no dice. It'll tuck those dice away. Underneath that is the scoreboard, which of course is automatically updated for you. Put in the visitors, home team here, and here's the score sheet areas for the visitors and the home team. We can track, of course, the batting order and up to 5 pitchers for each team. And when we go ahead and enter in the team names, again, you can put in any type of baseball teams here, any type of baseball games that you want to track. But this AI score sheet is optimized for Major League Baseball, for scoring those kinds of games. So for example, if we type in the 2025 Phillies, then you'll notice here in the visitors section of the score sheet, it adds their name below. And then you can start typing in all the player names, and you can pick from the pick list a position for each player. So you can do that, of course. For the batting order 1 through 9, put in the starting pitcher. But for Major League Baseball, we've added this AI lineup feature. Anytime you see the red buttons, that means it's AI powered. It's going to go out and look for the 2025 Phillies and give you the optimal lineup and place that right in the score sheet. Saves you a tremendous amount of time. If you want to change the batting order, just drag and drop. And of course, you can even type over these names if you want to replace the player with someone else. And of course, you can change the position. So again, very flexible, very interactive. Another feature here we thought would be important is AI powered is team overview. So when you click on that button, it's going to go out and find the 2025 Phillies season. You're going to get a analysis, a recap of that season for that team, and it supports any team from 1901 to present. And then also it's going to give you several teams that it would be competitive against as well. So you can see here, this section is all about the overview, and then back here, as we look down at the bottom, these are the teams that would be a really good match for this 2025 Phillies team. So that works again for any teams 1901 to present. If you want to learn about the players, very simple as well. Just go ahead and click on the I button next to them. Anybody that's in the starting lineup, you can get that player summary and highlights and their key stats. So to look up those players, again, any player from 1901 to present. So it's got to look through thousands of players. AI doing all the work for you. So you're really going to be in the know. You get the team overview, you get each player, you get their summary, key career stats, and a highlight about their career for you as well. So of course it works the same way on the home section of the score sheet. You notice it put in the starting pitcher, but again, just like in the lineup, you can put whatever pitcher you want in. It'll track all of that for you. Now let's talk about keeping score. So we come over here, Carl Schwarber, let's say he started off with a walk. We'll click save. It puts him on first base. You see Trey Turner is next, and Bader is on deck. Let's say for Trey Turner, let's say that he hits into a fielder's choice right here. Look at all the selections. When you click on the site, you get all these at-bat outcomes, the different batter actions. Now it's going to automatically track RBIs and runs scored, but you can make adjustments to it if you need to, but you shouldn't need to when you're scoring your game. Lots of different runner actions as well. Maybe for the runner on first was picked off, or whatever the case may be, it'll automatically update everything here in the score bug and of course on the score sheet as well. Pitching changes, if you're bringing in a new pitcher, Of course, you need to let AI Scoresheet know, I'm bringing a new pitcher in right now before this batter bats. Put in the pitcher name, confirm the change. That way it'll know to track the stats for that pitcher moving forward, and of course end the stat collection for the pitcher prior. And substitutions are for pinch hitters, pinch runners, maybe fielding substitutions. Just pop in the player's name and the new position. It'll all be updated in the box score. So I'll show you the box score in just a second. Let's go ahead and do a fielder's choice here for Trey Turner. But the other thing I wanted to show you too is that you can get play-by-play. So let's say for Harrison Bader, maybe he's going to strike out. So we can get a broadcast play-by-play. Just adds a little fun into your gameplay, gives you a little context there, makes you feel again more that you're part of the game right there. So it'll go ahead and give you that play call for that. And again, it's context sensitive. It knows what's happening in the game. It knows who's up. And so you can get play-by-play that way. So let's go ahead and save that. So now we have 2 outs in the inning, and we have again a runner on first base. And now Bryce Harper's up. The other thing I want to show you is you can click live broadcast. So you don't have to always click that play-by-play button. So let's say that Harper cranks a home run. Instead of clicking get broadcast, since I have it turned on here, I'll just click save, and notice that both runners of course have scored. The green dots indicate that Trey Turner scored. There's the live broadcast of the home run, 2 RBIs for Bryce Harper. You'll see that here in the box score. So again, the box score is live throughout the gameplay. You can even get a game recap, another AI feature. It'll generate that for you and give you the recap of the game at any point, of course, including to the end of the game. And you can print out this as well, this full box score. Okay, and if you leave live broadcast on, it'll just keep broadcasting play by play for you. All right, next is the actions. So you could, let's say you're scoring a game and you need to take a pause. So you want to save that game. You could save it. Maybe you're in the bottom of the 4th inning or something. You want to save that game, come back to it. You could load it. Of course, you can print the whole score sheet. Another feature here is the clear scoring. So you can clear scoring if you want to, and you would use that for, let's say you want to play the same 2 teams again. Clear scoring will just clear out this section, leave all the lineups the same. Of course, you can make any changes to those lineups before you begin your next game, and clear all will take everything out. But there's one more feature I want to show you before we wrap up in this quick demo, and that is, let's say we come up to our next player, and before we give the at-bat outcome, maybe I want to get some advice from one of the top 25 all-time great managers in Major League Baseball history. Maybe it's from Connie Mack. I want to click on Get Advice. Connie's going to look at the current situation, and based on his strategies, the way that he analyzes situations, is going to give you that insight to share with you. So this will really help you with your strategy. So it's going to, again, know who's up, the type of player they are, how he would do things. So you can do that for, again, any type of these, types of these managers that we have here. There's 25 overall. So there is an undo button in case you put something in here and you want to undo it, you can do that. But again, it's fully featured. You've got all the AI built in with the automation. Will track everything for you. So enjoy the free trial. It's 3 days of AI Scoresheet. Give it a whirl, and then you can keep using it month to month. After that, and you can score as many games as you want, any type of baseball game. So go ahead, take advantage of the free trial. There's one more other way you can get AI Scoresheet. Instead of it just being a standalone web app, which runs in just about any type of browser. It works great on a cell phone, works great on a tablet, works great desktop, laptop. So as opposed to just the independent app of AI Scoresheet, you can get GM Suite. It's included in there, and you give you a special price, so you can check out GM Suite as well. And it has a bunch of other features in there that you can take advantage of that Major League Baseball fans love. So that's a look at Baseball Classics AI Scoresheet. Go ahead and, again, take advantage of that free trial offer that we have, and we'll see you inside Baseball Classics AI Scoresheet.